Hey guys, so excited to show you my new office chair. I'm a remote worker and I invest heavily in my office equipment, and I'm very impressed with this. It comes together very fast. The instructions were simple. The base was very quick, some screws, the wheels pop on, and then this height adjuster, 4 screws, and it was assembled to the seat, very easy. The back of the chair was just 3 screws, that assembled very quickly, and you can see the progress so far. It took me about 30-45 minutes to get this done all by myself. This top part of the seat was 3 screws is all. The armrest popped right on with 1 screw, and they got those nice silver caps to cover that screw up. And then this headrest is adjustable. It assembled very fast. So if you don't want to rest your head on that, or if you do, you've got the option. Very easy to lower and raise this with 1 little adjustment from that button, and that was so easy. Overall, very impressed with this chair. It's super comfortable. The recline is easy and natural. It's got great lumbar support, great back support. I am so impressed with this brand. Please go check them out. If you're investing in a new chair, I highly recommend this one.